In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install a wireless printer on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel. And then on the right side, select printers and scanners. And then at the top where it says add a printer or scanner, select add device. Make sure your printer is discoverable on your network and that's properly configured. Make sure it's powered up. And then it should populate in this list and you can just proceed with the installer. If this does not work, you can go on to the printer manufacturer's website and they typically have drivers available that you can just install, and there's a setup wizard that takes care of all of it basically for you, walks you through step by step. But again, that's more on a printer manufacturer level. That isn't really on a device level, so it'll vary depending on who makes your printer. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.